In this lecture, we will talk about looping through a dictionary. Because a dictionary can contain large amounts of data, and Python lets you loop through a dictionary. You can loop through all of a dictionary's key value pairs, through its keys, or through its values. So first, let's look at looping through all key value pairs. To do so, you could loop through the dictionary using a for loop to write a for loop for a dictionary. Let's consider a new dictionary designed to store information about a user on a website. The following dictionary will store one person's username, first name, and last name. So user0 is a dictionary, has three key value pairs. First is username, me, and first name, and this last name. And we then use a for loop with for loop in the dictionary, then use dot items and parentheses, then for key value right here. Actually, we can write any name for the variable, but usually the variable should be meaningful. For key value in user dot items, then we'll get a list of key value pair. So here, in the for loop, we can print key is the key. So this key is this key, and print a value and concatenate the value, string concatenate the value of value is this value. So for loop here create a list of key value pair from the dictionary. Then this line will print the key, this line will print the value. And you create names for the two variables that will hold the key and the value in each key value pair. You can choose any names you want for these two variables. The second half of the for statement includes the name of the dictionary, followed by the method items, which returns a list of key value pairs. So the for loop then stores each of these pairs in the two variables provided. These are two variables. And another example of looping through all key value pairs, we look at a dictionary of favorite programming languages for a number of people. So favorite languages is a dictionary created with 4 key value pairs for 4 person. So this is Yang's is Python, Sarah's favorite language is C, and Edward's is Ruby, and Phil's language is Python. Then we can write for name language. This is a key value pair. These two variables. Then in the favorite languages is a dictionary. Then dot items. Items is a function to get a list of key value pairs from this dictionary. Then this is a for loop. Then inside the for loop, we will print every name, the title form, then concatenate a string. Notice that here is a single quotes inside the double quotes for the string, and inside because people's hyphen. Then concatenate the language title form. So this will print out every person's favorite languages. For example, Yang's favorite language is Python, Edward's favorite language is Ruby, and so on. And now let's look at looping through all the keys in a dictionary. The keys method is useful when you don't need to work with all of the values in a dictionary. So let's loop through the favorite languages dictionary and print the names of everyone who took the poll. So this is the same dictionary created as before. Then here we write a for loop for name. Here is only name, no value here, no pairs here, only name. In this dictionary's keys method, we use keys method here, then print inside this for loop, we print every name's title form. So the result is Yang, Sarah, Edward, Phil are printed. No, without their language's value. Looping through the keys is actually the default behavior when looping through a dictionary. So the following two codes would have exactly the same meaning. So for name in favorite languages, or for name in favorite languages.keys. But you can choose to use the keys method explicitly if it makes the code easier to read, or you can omit it if you wish. So this is better. I personally think this is a better form for other people to understand well. Use keys here. And you can access the value associated with any key you care about inside the loop by using the current key. So let's print a message to a couple of friends about the languages they choose. We will loop through the names in the dictionary as we did previously, but when the name matches one of our friends, we will display a message about their favorite language. So favorite language in the dictionary created same as before. Then we create a list called friends. There are two people in these lists. Friends, they are friends, they are friends, only these two people are friends. Then for name in favorite languages.keys, this will get a list of name of all the people in the key from the keys value. Keys method after this dictionary. Then this inside this for loop we print every people's name, title form. Then then is a condition if name in friends, name in friends. So for each name in the for loop, we check if this after having printed out the name, then we check if name inside the friends list. So if inside, then we print hi, name, title form, and I see your favorite language is favorite language, use bracket name dot title form. So for example, here we loop first Yang, then print name, print Yang, but Yang is not in friends. So we'll skip this if conditional statement. Then we'll run next name, Sarah. Okay, Sarah, print name Sarah, but Sarah is in friends. So we will print, hi Sarah, I see your favorite language is here, favorite language, bracket Sarah, favorite language, bracket Sarah, then we'll get the value of Sarah. The value of Sarah is C. So this variable, favorite language, bracket Sarah, name is Sarah here, will get the value of C. So this print statement will get a message, hi Sarah, I see your favorite language is C. But here title is capitalized C. You can also use the keys method to find out if a particular person was polled. This time let's find out if Erin took the poll. So favorite language is a dictionary created same as before. Then we write if Erin not in favorite languages.keys, print Erin please take our poll. So here is a conditional test if Erin not in favorite language.keys. This is right because favorite language.keys will get a list for each person's name, Yang, Sarah, Edward, Phil, and Erin not in. So this conditional statement is true. Is true, then we'll run the statement in after this if. So we print Erin, please take our pool, because Erin is not in this keys list inside this dictionary. So the keys method isn't just for looping, it actually returns a list of all the keys, and the line simply checks if Erin is in this list. Because she's not, a message is printed inviting her to take the pool. Looping through a dictionary's keys in order. So one way to return items in a certain order is to sort the keys as they are returned in the for loop. So you can use the sort function to get a copy of the keys in order. Because we have learned in last lecture that dictionary cares about only the association or relationship between the key and the value, but not care about the order of the keys or order of the values. So if we want to get the dictionary's keys in order, so we have to use sorted function. We have to sort the keys before we do something. So here we create same dictionary with 4 people with their favorite languages. Then we write a phone name in sorted.keys. So phone name, this variable is the same as before, but here we use a sorted parentheses. Then what will be sorted? The favorite languages keys will be sorted, because favorite languages.keys is a list for each people's name inside this dictionary. So here sort this list first, but this is a temporary sort. We have learned sorted is temporary sort, not change everything, not change anything in this dictionary. We just get a copy of the list and sort it alphabetical order. Then with a for loop for name in each this sorted list, then we print name, the title form, then thank you for taking the pool. So the output shows everyone who took the pool with the names displayed in order, for their name. And then looping through all values in a dictionary. So here we can loop through all values in a dictionary. If you are primarily interested in the values that the dictionary contains, you can use values method to return a list of values without any key. It's very straightforward. So before we use keys to get a keys listed, here we will use the values to get a list of values. So for example, say we can loop and print out program language without the name of the person who choose each language. So we only will get the values. The dictionary is the same. Then we print the following languages have been mentioned. For language, also we can use any any variable name here. We will use language because it will be meaningful, because this dictionary's value is language, so we write for language in favorite languages the dot values. Then we print language title. It's very, very straightforward. We will show all these commands in Spyder. So lecture 2 in section 5 dictionaries. Section 5 dictionary is a Python file, and you can download from this course GitHub. The link is written in the description of this video. Then lecture 2, looping through a dictionary, looping through all key value pairs. Then user run, create this dictionary. Then for key value in user.items, print key is key and value is value. Run. So key is username, value is Fermi, key is first, value is Enrico, key is last, value is Fermi. Then dictionary, a dictionary of favorite programming languages for a number of people. Create this dictionary. Notice that we can write this comma here or without this comma, no problem. But usually people write this comma after this last key value pair. And for name language, in favorite language dot items, print name titles, favorite languages, your language's title, and run. So Yang's favorite language is Python. So every people's favorite language will be printed out. Then looping through all the keys in a dictionary. Create dictionary first. Then for name in favorite language dot keys, print name dot file title form. So each name will be print out no value, only name. And here we access the value associated with any key you care about inside the loop. So we create dictionary first, then create this list called friends with 2 people. Phil and Sarah are friends. Then we will run this for loop for favorite language of keys, print name. Then if name in friends will print a message. Let's see. So Yang, because Yang is not in the friends list, so Yang only his name is printed out. And Sarah in the friends list, so after her name is printed, there's a extra message. Hi Sarah, I see your favorite language is C. C comes from favorite language dot name. You'll get this person's value of language here. And Phil, I see your favorite language is Python. And use the keys method to find out if a particular person was pulled. Create this dictionary. Then we run if conditional test. If Erin not in favorite language dot keys will print Erin, please take our pull. Erin is not in this dictionary's keys is a list. Use keys method after this dictionary. We get a list of the keys. Erin is not in. So because this conditional tested passes is correct, so print this message. Run this. Erin, please take our pull. And looping through the dictionary's keys in order. Dictionary created. Then a for loop for name in sorted favorite languages dot keys. Then print name title. Thank you for taking the pull. So sorted method, and inside the sorted method is a list of dictionary's keys. So sorted in alphabetical order for this list. Then we'll run. Now you can see the name has been sorted in alphabetical order, EJPS. So then looping through all values in a dictionary. Create a dictionary first and print this message. Then a for loop for language in favorite languages dot values. So here use values. So key value pair, just to remember, dictionary just store a key value pair for many key value pairs. And here we write values here. That means only get the list of values. If you write keys here, to only get the list of the keys. So here we write the values method here. So that means we'll get a list of all the values in key value pair. So in this dictionary, the values are language. So we call this name, we set this name called language. Then print every language's title form. So we will run. So only value only value, the value are language, programming languages here. So Python, C, Ruby, Python are printed out.